Hey y'all, Mr. Shapelay with Shapelay Homestead. I'm outside with my boy Chase. So it's the weekend. I got my kids, so they're out giving me a hand. Well, yeah, Chase is out. He's the only one that ever helps me.
Yeah, the first egg I already found right in the doorway.
Yeah, and it's cracked though, but it doesn't matter. It's frozen. All right, get the eggs. Get the eggs there. I'm gonna watch where I'm standing here. I don't want to get pooped on again tonight. Well, you have nothing to worry about. It's actually not that cold in here. They all cracked probably. I gotta close that window.
Well, this one looks like
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, they pecked at it. Yeah, look at that. All right, throw it on the ground for them. Well, is it hard?
Oh, yeah, it's frozen.
Yeah. Well, okay, I guess we're gonna have to probably pick that up and bring it in the... Those are all cracked, eh?
Some of them are. The brown ones, I don't think.
All right, that's fine. I'll just grab that after. And I'll get the ladder for you.
Well, I don't need the ladder for up there.
Oh, for here.
That right there?
All right. And they still got some water, so that's good. They're not out of water. And they got some feed. There's Frizzy. I'll change the water. Do a water video.
We got a chickie on the eggs.
Up there?
Yep.
Which one? Oh, the Brahma. She was growling at me the other day.
Alright.
Yeah, I see an egg too.
Yeah, he wants to get out.
Grab
I think I
it.
can buy my gloves here. Stop.
Oh, I got pooped on
You did?
again with my arm, but it ricocheted off me. Okay, hurry up! Come on, there's too many bucks here up above me.
Stop.
Pikachu, go away. Just move her. You got gloves on anyway. She's not gonna do nothing.
Here we go. No, she can't.
Lift her right up. She sounds happy.
So happy. I'm gonna track him. Stop.
I don't like being where I am. I got a whole bunch on top of my head.
These ones are all probably not cracked. There might be one or two more.
Sometimes there's some behind her, so just try to push her aside. She's gonna not like it, but yeah.
There's one. There might be one last one on there.
It's funny she's not pecking at you. She pecks at me sometimes.
This is the last one.
Okay. Oh, that was a good one under there. Holy jumping! All right, let's see what she has in here.
Some chickies eating.
Oh, she's all missing feathers or something on her head.
There.
Yeah, look at that.
So many brooms.
Shine the light in there. She ripped feathers off somebody. I see she's laying on eggs though.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do? That brown one never has any eggs under her. So just wait. Well, I'm gonna take a better video here.
Okay.
Because the other day we were getting a bunch of views on our broody hen, so I want to show you guys a little closer up. Well, she's squatting.
I learned the trick.
Yeah, give her a shake and then she'll shake. Watch. Okay. All right.
So, you ready? You good?
Check the brown one first, but I know she probably doesn't have any.
No.
No, she just likes it there because it's warm.
Will this one pack?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is our broody hen. She's a silky mix.
Oh my god!
Yeah, she usually sits on like a bunch. But take that feathers out of her face. Look.
Okay, what was it? Where are the eggs? Oh, back there. I'm about to get packed. Go.
Be more gentle. There's.
There you go.
Oh, she's actually pecking at you.
Here we You move you out the way.
Oh, there's one.
Lost the I'd say. Oh, I moved it right off.
Alright, see, that's why they got holes in them, because if you set the eggs down, they want to. Well, we got some snow in the coop over there, but my door was open, so a lot of people were wondering that about the coop, and you know, all my doors are open all the time, so I keep that one open all the time, and my big door on the rooster side's always open. Now go up in that top corner over there. There's a hen up there. You dodged that poop ball. Oh, there's 2 more poop butts here. Okay, go quick.
Mission Impossible.
Now I'm gonna check. Oh.
Good morning, beautiful.
Yeah.
She's saying good night, beautiful.
Climb all the way up. Is there any?
Nothing.
Nothing up there? All right. Take that cover off the feed. I want to see how many's there. How much is in there?
20.
All right, so there's 3/4. That's good. All right. Now let's change this water. Grab the water. Okay. Now.
You want me to just angle out the water?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's all wet underneath there. Should have done that. I put all the dirt inside the freaking water. Ugh. Trying to do this without getting pooped on. My back's all open right now. Yeah.
I'll let you know if a poop ball's coming your way.
So there's still water left in there though. Alright. So I don't know how many eggs we got today. Mine's the one that you threw down there. You got to pick back up though. I know I told you to throw it there, but yeah, but they can't peck it right now. It's frozen. They're just gonna play with. They're gonna play with the egg. That's fine. Just stick it in there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I don't know, there's like 23 or 24 eggs there. There's the blind one up on top again. She always comes down when she hears my voice.
I'm going outside.
In a second. I'm gonna let the blind one down. So if you guys are just tuning in, yes, we got a blind chicken. She's up top there. Yeah, Coco Jr. Good girl. Come on. You know I'm gonna have to call you one of these days. I don't want to, but pitiful kind of, because she's a good young hen, but she can't see very good. She only goes by her ears. So basically just hears my voice and comes towards the sound. So we had a snowfall last night. Snowed about I don't know, 10 centimeters, 15 cent, no, I don't know, maybe 10 centimeters. Not enough to snow blow, but I stepped on her foot.
Yeah. You still got Splash?
Splash?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a sec.
So, Splash and Frizzle are the only
Splash.
ones in the Three Musketeers.
I don't know where she is. I don't know where she is. I see Phoenix.
I see Frizz.
Yeah, Frizz. Pikachu.
Pikachu.
And there's the blind one. See, she's kind of walking around, not really knowing what's up. She's making her way to the feed. Yeah, but just because she doesn't know where she's going. She's kind of pitiful, but all right. So we're gonna go over to the rooster pen real quick.
You need that.
Yeah, that goes on the water bucket. So that keeps. So I use a 7-gallon pot, flower pot. I put it on top of my water feeder just to keep it somewhat clean. Oh, she found the feed. All right, so that's it for it's
Part one.
not part one. We'll go over there and do a quick video. You got the light anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. See, that's Tat. See this? Stop. That's what I think's going on. I think Tat's being aggressive with the girls, and some are slowing down laying. But I mean, we did get some eggs, but
I'm nervous of Russell. I mean, he's gonna have his dew ripped out.
yeah, well, he might just put the eggs. Here. I don't know if you're gonna get the door open, buddy. Because oh no, I blocked it. Never mind. It's still blocked. See, I blocked the hole.
Oh yeah.
Okay, never mind. Okay, that's why I did it, so that I wouldn't have to go out there. See all the tracks? They went outside. That's why I don't see they were gonna go out into that pen, but I locked the door. So I not locked the door, blocked the door. All right, so we'll go into the rooster pen, bring that bottle of water.
Read your mind.
We're gonna go pour that in for the boys. See how much snow blew in my door? A little bit.
I think we have Sergeant.
How you doing, Charlie boy? Yeah, see how frozen their bedding is compared to the other ones?
Very.
Yeah. All right, so here. Oh yeah. Do that again on video. He's my only Silky. I can hear him from inside the house. He's a good boy though. He's like doing a dance for you. Do you think Chase is your girlfriend? Right? Pick him up, Chase. You think he's your girlfriend? Put his wings. Oh, you gotta put his wings in.
I did.
Oh, now look at him. He's all excited. Grab him by his wings. Yeah. Yep. There. That's how you grab him. There. All right.
I haven't picked up a chicken in a while.
No. But you can't pick up Charlie like that.
Nah, I'm not.
He has quite the spurs. Let's see if I. Oh, good way to put him back on his perch. Here, look at his spurs. Oh, you're bleeding too, buddy.
Blood.
Well, yeah, let me see your look at your spurs.
I feel like they wouldn't even hurt me at this point because I'm not.
Well, no. All right.
Excuse me, sir.
All right. So, let's fill up their water. Bring it a little closer and show you their water bucket.
It's on the feet.
You cold, Bert? You're always cold. You're like the biggest rooster, and you're like always frozen. So I put warm water, so they always have some fresh water, and it's well, I wouldn't say it's going to be warm, but that water bucket's eventually going to have to be cleaned out, though, because I can see the particles are all settling on the bottom, but I mean, not 100%. I wouldn't say it's not healthy, but I like to keep their water clean. It's just I'm gonna have to dump that bucket out and fill it back up again. So yeah, I found a piece of wood today, actually, Chase, to put up here. But I want to put another bag, so the next feed bag I put, I'm gonna block that other hole So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So up here, this is what I've been doing with my bag, the empty bags. I've been stuffing them in the cracks. So I'm going to take the next bag and put it over here. And we'll block this hole, and I'll put another piece of wood like this I have down in the basement. I'm going to put it up here and block that wind from coming in. And I have another. Yeah, and I have a Stanley Jr. over there.
Look at his comb.
His comb's like amazing, but his comb's cold, see? So look at his comb, how it's all like pale, not pale, but like white basically. So the best style of comb, in my opinion, is a comb like an Americana, like that. Or a comb like my Brahma, like this. But a big giant comb bird, especially for our climate, is not the best. And yeah, you're not gonna catch him. He doesn't like to be caught.
So what if I do catch him?
Well, if you catch him, it's fine, but he's gonna kick you. But he's not gonna hurt you with his spurs. But
He ain't gonna. He don't got. Well, he got spurs, but they ain't spurs.
you try to catch him, he's not gonna like you like he doesn't like me right now. But you can pick up Bert. Bert lets you pick him up.
Hey, Bert. Bert's in the air. Bert's in the air.
Such a big rooster.
Bert's in the air.
Big baby.
He like twitches.
There.
Bert's in the air.
You can take a video. See how many views you can get. Boy and his big rooster.
Boy and his Bert.
Yeah, boy and his Bert rooster.
Bert in the air.
Bert in the air.
Bert in the air. Bert in the air.
Oh, he's a big baby. Hey. His comb used to be beautiful. Look at his comb. Now your comb kind of looks like Charlie's and Ernie's. Try to do that with this guy.
No.
He's gonna kick you right in the head. Oh yeah. Settle down, you.
I wonder if I can get Stanley 2.0.
He's actually, I never even caught him.
He looks like he has okay sized spurs. Actually, no, he doesn't even really got them there.
You probably see when he's doing a dance there for you. He really likes you. He said, "You're my new girlfriend."
I'm picking you up, throw you on the ceiling.
Check their food. They should have like a little under half.
Reveal?
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna do one more bird in the air for the viewers. And bird in the air. Bird in the air. Oh, it's a showdown.
The big rooster and little rooster. There's a difference between a bantam. Oh, he's doing the dance for Bert. I have a feeling he's gonna crow now, just because he's like. The other night he was picking. See how he's picking stuff up off the ground and making the chirping sound like Charlie does. But it's like he's trying to show the other roosters. Kind of hilarious. Try to pick up the young lad. I bet you're not gonna get him.
Which one? This guy?
Yeah, the Easter egger.
Easter egg. That guy?
Stanley Jr.
Stanley Jr. You should have started with that.
Yeah, you're not gonna get him. He's like Houdini. He's really quick. Told you. Well, you got him worked up now. Oh yeah, he's gone.
Hey, dude.
He knows you're gonna catch him now.
You want to do live feed?
No. Anyway, just leave him be. All right, so bring the water out. We're done. So we got about 2 dozen eggs, so a dozen a day, because I never got them yesterday. And I've been under the weather. I had real bad migraines the last like 4 days. So I took the day off today because I wasn't Didn't get no sleep at all last night. I was literally up for about 32 hours before I decided to lay down at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and I had a nap for an hour and 20 minutes. Then my grandmother called me, so thank you, Nanny. She woke me up, but it's fine. I got Chase's help. He couldn't bring the water, but he could get all the eggs for me. But he likes getting the eggs anyway. I wish Ethan and Liam liked coming out and getting the eggs too.
Hopefully my bird in the air goes viral.
Alright, y'all. Thank you for tuning into my channel. We are over 100,000 views now on the channel the last few days. Thanks to you guys sharing videos and stuff. We've hit like 103,000 I think right now. So, you know, in 3 years doing these videos and doing all these reels and, you know, welcoming a lot of new people to the channel. You know, I can't wait to get through the winter so that we can get my gardening videos, because that's where I really enjoy doing all the gardening and putting all this compost in the garden and showing you guys how nice the garden turned out to be. It's hard to do a video with all these loudmouth cocks. Alright, feathered friends. Have a good night. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe my channel if you like this kind of content. There'll be lots more videos all winter. The struggle's just getting here. I'll show you guys how much snow we got. Well, you guys just saw it as we came in, but yeah, so we got a little bit of snow. Enough that they didn't come out in the outdoor. Alright, y'all. Have a good one.